Good to YouTube, back with a quick little clip. I ordered something thanks to AMG New York to get rid of them paper filters that's on my intakes. They rip too easily. Both of them is ripped, but he put me on with this link to order something. You already seen the box. About to pull it out, share what it is. So, hey, let's get to it. Huh? Try not to spell it styrofoam all over the place, but it's gonna do what it do. This video may be a continuation video. Because I may not install them right away, but just doing a reveal video, see what it look like, see what I ordered. And this may be a 1-2 day video for me, same video for y'all. So let's finish unwrapping it. Now let me put the phone down. So the paper filters will be replaced by this right here. It's made out of silicone. And this carbon fiber weave. Let me bring it in for y'all so y'all can see. This looks real nice. Not bad. Can't complain too much about it. Show the inside. Real sturdy. Oh, can't wait to get this fitted to the car. Immediately. Might do a test fit tomorrow, obviously, if I need to cut it. But for the fact that I don't have the black box cold air intakes, I just have my regular ones. Just made this fit right on up. I'm gonna need to get some clamps, some rubber pieces put on the side here, and hook this bad boy up. But, like I said, tune back in so y'all can see how the finished product will look when it's on the car. Small little touches like this makes the car feel like your own. Of course, I'm the third owner of my car, but I'm gonna make that car my own. So this little aesthetic modification for looks. A little small diameter, so it pulls in more air. And we're just ripping, not paper, no nothing. So this looks real good. I like the quality. But once I post this video, I will put a link in the company where I got it from. If y'all need to know, holler at me. I got the link saved. And anybody who has an AMG, I want to switch out to this, holler at your boy. AMG New York, thank you once again for the link for this. Can't wait to put this on my car. So stay tuned. I'll be back probably with a test fit video. Hook everything up. Pictures, videos, all that good stuff when it's fully installed. All right, so stay tuned. Thank you for tapping in. All right, one. Let's get to YouTube. Coming back, continuing this video. Like I said, the last one showed y'all the nice little couple of intakes I bought. Buy the hardware to fit it properly, to fit it to the car. So that's what came in the mail today. I already opened the box. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. These rubber pieces here for the front part of the intakes. I'm gonna use my factory piece for the front that clips onto the intake that brings the air in. That's the point of me buying this. This is the hardware clips that came with it. And now I'm gonna open this, test fit it to this to make sure it fits the way I want it to. Put this over here. Open this bad boy up. be a 3 to 4 part video. I don't know how many videos I'll make, but it'll be a couple parts for me and one video for y'all. I'm gonna put this all together. Once again, this is what it look like. Great craftsmanship. Like how this look. Nice and solid. So this is all a test fit because if you follow my Instagram, Panda63CLS, you'll see I already got the piece that connects to the air box. They're already taken care of. This is for the front part to mount it up. You know, it's fresh. You had to take your time sliding it on there. As you can see, perfect fit. Now all this got to do is flex the hook on the front, and I'm good. But of course, I'm gonna put this on, clamp this down nice and tight, so because if you see, my squeeze right there, it moves, but not much. It's doing what I like. Told you, slow but steady modifications. Coming to Panda, aka Pearly, one of my good friends. Nickname I call that. I'll let it ride. One of my good peoples. Let me show y'all what the clamps look like. These are the clamps, and they flexible to bend and lock in place the way you need it. Oh, this is gonna come out real nice. When I did do the install video, yes, big shout out to AMGNYC for plugging me in for these bad boys here. Because everybody know the intakes that come on there, it's made out of paper and they rip too easily. I ain't gonna lie, both mine are ripped. Instead of me spending money to get the factory ones for them to rip again, why not? I just went ahead, got these bad boys here. I got all the hardware needed. I did a test fit, like I said. They're gonna be cut down some to fit perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but as close as perfect as possible. So now I know, good to go. So thank you for tapping in. Like I said, I don't know how many videos this would take, but how long it take, whatever. Once I put it all together, be one video for y'all, a couple for me. All right, now you see how it's looking, coming along real nice. Stay tapped in, I'll be back. Good afternoon. Finishing up the rest of this video about the carbon fiber intake tubes I installed. It's been a couple of days, but I got it done. Work's more important. Had stuff to do. This ain't for my daughter during my birthday weekend and whatnot. So, hey, before I head out, do what I gotta do for the rest of the day. Let's let me tap in and finish this video and whatnot. The install was not as easy as I thought it would be, but at the same time, I learned a valuable lesson. One of my good boys on the shop, he dropped them bad boys in for me, and I paid $3.99. They ain't charging me to put it in, because I know him. I've sent people there to get stuff done to their cars as well. The E63 and the CLS share the same 5.5 twin-turbo V8 transmission, how it looks on the inside, so on and so forth. But the chassis is shaped different. The ones I bought had a little 45-degree bend to it, which that was made for the E63, not my car. But before I conclude this, I'll get out, show you how it looked now with it installed. The picture gonna be posted for the title and the thumbnail, all that good stuff, and you'll see how it looks. Came out clean, no big issues. I like it. But I know the ones I need now, the tubes I need, gonna be a little bit more straighter, not as much of a bend to them. I reached out to the company where I ordered them from, and they have them on their website as well. But of course, it costs a little bit more money. But it is what it is. When you come to cosmetic performance upgrades to your cars, hey, how to say, as the saying goes, you got to pay to play. So it is what it is. So, like I always say in my videos, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, help me grow my channel. My Instagram for my car is Panda63CLS. So once I post this later on today, I'm gonna put my Instagram down below. Please help me get to 1K on that. I'm at 800 and some followers on that now, so ain't a little bit I could do there, get YouTube to that too, to where I get monetized, I'll make some money. Hey, gotta set the example and provide for my daughters. Let me get out right now real quick, show y'all how it look. I need the hood with it installed, clean, no issues with it. Everything fit the way it's supposed to fit. No air leaks, no nothing like that. So, hey, let me pop the hood. Should have did that first, I didn't think about it. Let's go check it out. Flip the camera around. That's how they look with them installed. Clean. A headache to get on, but they sit in the way they sit and they breathe real well. So I have no issues outside of that. So that's how the intake tubes look installed. So now you know. Any other questions? Feel free to, you know what I'm saying, drop in the comment section. You know, hey, just enjoying my Sunday, enjoying my birthday weekend. But I had to finish this video, so I hurry and post it before I forget, and I would forget. Hey, it's life, got other stuff going on. So thanks for tapping in. I'm gonna put this video together from the other days when I showed it, opening it up. The other hardware I needed to install everything. And hey, have a blessed day, weekend, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever y'all are in the world watching this. I'm gonna get better as I go along with this. Just gonna finish this video and post this so I can get my thought process for the next one. All right, peace.